Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siyahlaziya. Guys, let's just unpack on Usenzo Meyiwa. Everything, you guys, that's coming out, and Patricia Mashale, they actually helping us to open our minds and our eyes. We're just like, what? When did that happen? Even like I was saying in the video before this one, and then listen to General Sibiya ke uthe uPatricia Mashale i-whistleblower emkhuluma kabi. So for defamation of character wathi sithi mina ke ngizokubophisa, but bathi Patricia Mashale was like, okay, see you in court. Patricia Mashale apparently, guys, does go to court. Brother doesn't pitch a general. Agafik a court. People are like, what's happening? What's going on? That case here, Bonnie, no General Shadrack Sibiya was actually had in Bloemfontein about a week ago, hey? Patricia Mashale was sitting there now waiting. Umuntu, who generally is nowhere to be seen. The lawyers is Shadrack Sibiya are arguing that Usisters, Patricia, the real mastermind, says Sibiya is also involved in the tampering of the crime scene there at the Khumalo's at the spaza shop on the day Senzo Meyiwa was deleted there in that house. So uyayibona ukuthi now ukungezwani kwabo kuqhamuka lapho, right? And apparently Usisters nayo the real mastermind akagcini lapho. She continues to say other things about this guy. Ukubona azaziyo naye that she's unpacking around him ukuthi lo njengoba nimbona unje. And allegedly Usisters also said General Sibiya accepted some bribe from some businessmen. Guys, leyo nto vele SAPS into zakhona. SAPS sesijwayele. It's just like, what kind of a life are you living when? Uhola 100,000 as a brigadier, but you are always over actually 100,000 apparently. But still ngoba greedy. Uhamba uthatha ezinye imali. Bese ngenza example angithi ngebrigadier, any brigadier actually for that matter, it doesn't matter which one. I'm just making an example of these high ranking people, they do stuff because they've got this thing, we can get away with it, we are in power, we'll never be caught, we'll never be seen. But khona abanye sibabonayo manje caught khona lapha futhi kusenzo Meyiwa's case. We're like, how unamanga, brothers, you are such a lying somebody, you know? So nje asimangele thina ezinye izinto mayiqhamuka allegedly, for example yoneka General Sibiya, we just like whatever. And guys, you remember vele ukuthi i-crime scene there's nothing for us there that you could find, you know. Nami ngizifaka phakathi inside at the crime scene, I'm just like, we couldn't find anything there that's tangible that we can use in court. Ngoba uMaphira ngithi was told ukuthi clean sisi, cima everything that's going on there. Ukuyibona leyo nto leyo. So nje it's just like awangeke guys, it's a lot, eh? It's a lot. Senzo Meyiwa's case, it's a lot. And what's crazy though about it is that there's so many people who are involved in it. I remember I even said that, guys, when SAPS employees, half of them, remember I even said that, going to stop coming to court to testify on something that they know nothing about. They never came to the Khumalo house. Umukhano but hayi bona baphethe. Ubonakele futhi lo ebhalela ugena indaba notes inside court. Someone was me here, one of the sub is here in this channel, what's the tea? Someone told me, so loyo unokuhlala nje ibhalela amanotes, ubhalela ugena indaba. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi okay, it's imbhalele usweetheart wami, because there was also a rumor ukuthi they are together. Because we like pairing people, we paired them. We were just like, hey, they are together very lap, you know. Kubu sisters, the way she was so rude in her testimony there at court last year. Hey, guys, I was just like, this lady, like honestly, ngize ngibabiza ngokuthi Gininda's entourage ababaningi. There are so many of them. Ozungu, ngisho uAbsalom baba kaZungu, cabanga entourage kaGininda. I'm like, wow. So basically nje it's so unfair ukuthi i-crime scene was cleaned by uMaphiri. Naye okwakuthiwa hamba uyoklina sisi, awusincede. yebo leyo nto leyo. So kuningi okwafihlwayo guys, okusafihlwa to this day kule case. And mina ngiyangazi-ke ngiblame abani angithi. Mina nje ngiblame abantu abawu-4. Kuyababona-ke umthoko guys. Ayisibo labo bantu labo abamaphiphiqi amaxoki who turned on their friend that they grew up with. Ngikhuluma ngabantu nje abawu-4 mina la. uLongwethwala, uMakhumalo Gladness, kuzoba uKelly, kuzoba usisi wakhe lo ohlaza isithuka ku-social media, uZandile Khumalo Gumede. I'm like these people guys. Ibona ngithi ababesendlini, not i-SAPS. Ibona ababesendlini, who saw exactly what happened. But day in and day out sikhuluma ngento eyodwa ukuthi when are they going to come to court and tell us what happened on the day? Loku khuluma ku-social media ugegela usithuka went to all sorts of things. Uzuthuke ngisho amaloya uZandile Khumalo azathuke ngisho umshololo. Just because umshololo was, do you have matric? And umshololo guys, it's a standard thing that is asked in court. The qualifications, that's the first thing. Hello, how do you have matric? Do you have any tertiary education? Do you have, you understand? Wamuthuka wathi inja ithengile umsho iyanuka. The whole advocate uzokhuluma ngayo kanjalo. It's because they want the truth from you. Awufuni nje ukhuluma iqiniso wena. Fanele ukuthi manje ku social media and have a dog now. They're too made up and bought enukayo esifana no advocate Zandile Mshololo. Are you like serious right now guys? How rude. You know? I get to General Sibiya suing Patricia Mashale, the real mastermind. But at the same time, is it not the truth? The crime scene was tampered with. It's the truth at the end of the day. It's out there. So, for that. It's confusing. Maybe I'm involved as a general because I was one of the first people that came at that house. Klambe, maybe because of that. So is it me getting involved on that tempering, meaning that when I'm up here going clean as a general, then I mean. So maybe and sue me and do all sorts of things to me, and then you don't come to court at Bloemfontein High Court. Simply lapana Patricia Mashale when ufiki. What's up with that? Ama-lawyers ke General Sibiya athi i-whistleblower Patricia Mashale is a self-styled whistleblower. I'm just like, hey guys, abantu banamagama. Uthi baqale bathi i-real mastermind. Azaziphi ligama, and then not laba but something that's going around, and then Kelly Khumalo say deputy mastermind. I was just like, okay guys, it's a lot. Ngapha guys, Mngomezulu, the late Thulani, the late advocate Thulani Mngomezulu was big buddies with the real mastermind Patricia Mashale. Self-styled. Hey, you know magama maningi guys, self-styled whistleblower. I'm like, wow. They were big buddies, big, huge. Guys, they were writing each other WhatsApps. I think Mngomezulu mostly why confide again stuff that he got, and sisters and I will add and be like, yeah, I know that thing, and and then put it out there on record in court. Uti. Oh, I was just like, what? These two big, huge buddies, best friends, type of thing. BFFs. I was like, who? The stuff that they shared is crazy. Okay, let's go back a bit, right? Where uMaphira ngithi wa clean endlini. Kwathiwa i-clean assist. Naku-ke uHlophe, ukhumbula uHlophe isibari sosifiso benosenzo Meyo, ushade nosisi wabo. The one person that was actually called ukuthi ayisebenza ke mistake, uSenzo has just been shot. Right? And then kwaseqhamuka isitori sokuthi no, i-statement isalahleka. Kwaqhamuka isitori sokuthi uBrigadier Gininda, actually uSifiso Meyo said that, ukuthi uBrigadier Gininda took the statement from the docket. Sasingasatholakala. Nasi statement futhi again, ecourt sesatholakala. Is there anything like that, my guys? Sinyamalele. Ngathi futhi for years, not just for 5 minutes. And then sesetholakala wa-accuse-wa lo baba lo obathi uBrigadier Akinende ukuthi wasithatha statement ngoba bengafuni ukuthi kube ukuthi they were not intruders kodwa ujulwana khona la endlini. That's the information the mayor has got. And u-Auntie kaSenzo Meyo uke wa-explaina lento lo. I think umamncane wakhe actually maternal side of family. She explained this thing wathi ithina sathola i-call sithola kanjani sesekakhala nomakhelwane you understand nomakhelwane ngathi beza la i-call yatholwa uHlophe wafona wathi sekwenzeka naba bethi kwenzeka imistake omthoko and them are calling naku ngathi sekwenzeka imistake udubulekile uSenzo kuthiwa ngesikhathi kufona bathi uKelly Khumalo on the side iko ngithi Kelly Khumalo hey these people especially uKelly Khumalo hayi shem wadlala ngoSenzo Meyo or I should say with the Meyiwas ngoba thina sithembe ukuthi kuba yena ositshela iqiniso ngoba she's the one brought him actually to the house waleso Senzo wam invite kubo so thina wonke ama answers kahle to be honest with you so afuna kuyena but awaphuma ama answers we sisters ukhuluma nje into engazwakala ingane kanti every time she starts to open her mouth ukhuluma nje story of a story. So as they are calling uHlophe lo Isibari on the side kuthi uKelly Khumalo ayelibele ekhala hayi asazi engabe what are we going to say to the Meyiwas guys uthini ngempela sisi hey bo guys One thing I like about our conversations Njebs Beno the real mastermind Patricia Mashale is that they are so legit. They even have proof. I was just like, when Patricia Mashale was showing proof, Yoguti, when did I speak to Mngomezulu? They were speaking, guys, go October. Guys. Yabona that when Mngomezulu was a bit sick by the time and when he comes back, he will show you flames. Mngomezulu. If you've seen my viral shot when I was talking about Mngomezulu and be like, I didn't expect this. I didn't expect him to go so soon. I expected a lot from him. And he was going to expose people. It's as simple as that. And people didn't like that. You know which people, anyways. As Patricia Mashale, the daily phone touch, I'll be doomed for life. Information like the phone is like gold. Usende uzombiza udakadla uMngomezulu uNjebs. uMngomezulu sent the message at 10:49 a.m. on the 15th of October esendela sisters lo Patricia Mashale just before Brigadier Bongani Ninda was just about to take the stand. Ithi message ka Mngomezulu I want to expose Baloyi for the statement SkaHlophe that was stolen. And then it's back again now with the defense. Guys, Guys, you remember though ukuthi Advocate Mngomezulu had a lot of witnesses, a lot of information that he was gathering. Even when he got sick, I was like, yo, it's fine. He can be home. He can get this information. When he comes back, he's going to come back with a bang. Around November, I said a lot of things in my videos. He also spoke to a brother-in-law, uHlophe, who was like, brother, there were no intruders there. We were called, Tina. This is what we were told immediately after Senzo was shot. So what is this now of the intruders coming to the house? Hi guys, this needs to stop this intruder thing. Yeah, Katas. And Patricia Mashale does say, she has a lot that they shared with Mngomezulu because she was actually assisting him also with the stuff that she knows. Hey, they were crazy too, or these two. What? And uRatha nje wavele wavala amadlebe akhe apparently kusho i-whistleblower uPatricia ukuthi uRatha never even said anything about that statement missing, and then the statements esikhona futhi sesinikezwe i-defense benikezwe ubaloyi. Like, where is that coming from now? And apparently also Ukininda never was like, hi, there was no statement missing. The statement was always there. But this thing August was George has always come out. So savele sayingiyamalalela ngokwaso. And then what happened to Makubo no 375 wakhe then? If izinto vele ngiyamalalela elifini, why uMakubo futhi egijinyiswa every time bedubula indle yakhe benza all sorts of things, guys? Ahleke uPatricia Mashala athi yo icourt yokungibize yini iPretoria High Court on the sense May wakhe ukuthi ngizoconfirma nami ukuthi ngempela ubaloyi wayezo-exposewa uMngomezulu. Ngeke basoze bambiza ubaloyi akabafundi labo bantu abakanjalo. For example, ubaloyi guys njalo uyakhumbula ukuthi ubaloyi usukumame athi what? Ngeke, it will never happen. Maqala kuthiwa I know Kelly Khumalo washo phela vele uMngomezulu uMngomezulu no mina ngifuna ulongwena uKelly Khumalo futhi akanandaba nje uZandile uLethi Mngomezulu didn't get about Zandile. All the time he used to say I want Longwe because Longwe short sense. Wake washo kwathuleke court wathula uratha ngathi akekho in that court. Later on wathi hawu ngempela Mngomezulu uLongwe short sense. Was just like about this guy. Naye uratha sakhayibo bra ukhuluma ngani ushosho ngale yonto baxabana futhi kancane. I was just like yabo uratha guys naye ngeke. At the time uPatricia Mashala was doing her video with Unjebs, it came out ukuthi she spoke to Mngomezulu's wife a day before and she's not doing well, guys. How can she do well, guys? Just think about it. It's been like 4 months. How can you forget about a person in 4 months? It's not even normal. She's like nje yazini. It is fine. Kodwa uMngomezulu, may his soul rest in peace. Kodwa we will fight. And uMngomezulu was an international icon. Uqala ngokuthi national, what you know, international icon. uMngomezulu was going to expose people and people saw it. They're like, what? Uqhamuka bhekela. Ngeke. Uyibone leyo nto leyo.